Hi, this is me, your Balla Kurmaya. I am from Weldtech Company, owner of this ship. My Weldtech Company office administration, kurmayyaniranajanaballa. We are in director and owner also. Now I am making double decker. This is 3D effect in my plan of way. We are in making phenomenal works in our weldtech company. All area in available Hyderabad nearest to 168 km round of circle. My service is available. This is our 3D effect animation AutoCAD work in weldtech company administration office kurmayyaniranajanaballa. We are in provide to all my service and I give my good service. Please anyone requirement directly visit my website www.ballakurmaya.com and one more website 8850572104 number and weldtekcompany. Please visit my website and call to order 9668733997 number. Please look at one time. It is our service.